What's going on, guys? My name is Trevor Zheng, and in today's video I'll be giving you an exact tutorial of how to use Google Ads for high ticket dropshipping. If you currently run a high ticket dropshipping business, then this is perfect for you. And if you don't run one, then why aren't you running one? Because this is the best e-commerce business model to start in 2025 and beyond. It is not only way better than low ticket dropshipping because of the fact that you're selling higher ticket products, meaning less orders, more profit per order, and you don't have to deal with Facebook or TikTok ads where you have to create constant video ads just to go viral and to hope that you even make sales with your low ticket product. So why even Google Ads to begin with? Well, Google Ads, you're able to target customers who are actively searching for your products that you have for sale. That is the beauty of Google Ads, is when you have a product. For example, if I am selling this book right here, it's called Traction by Gino Wickman. Let's say I'm selling this book for $1,000. Well, I only want to show up when someone searches Traction book or Traction Gino Wickman. When someone searches Traction Gino Wickman, I know for sure they want this book. But when someone searches traction, they could be searching traction as in like tires, traction, on snow or slippery roads, that type of traction. But when they search Traction book, I know for sure they most likely want this book. So this is why we want to use Google Ads, because when we match the search term with the exact product that we're selling, we're able to sell to the exact customers that are actively looking to buy our products. And also with Google Ads, there are advanced targeting capabilities like location, device, and you can even target by demographics like age, gender, and even income levels, all within Google Ads. Google Ads gives you a ton of control compared to Facebook ads. You can dial in your bids to your specific target demographic. For example, my target demographic for one of my stores is old, rich women that are over 65. That is my target demographic for one of my best selling product types. So I know for sure when someone matches all 5 or all 4 of those criterias, I need to bid very high for them because the chances of them converting is way higher and way more profitable. I use data to make those decisions. I don't make those decisions right off the rip. It would be a very bad move, but that just shows the capabilities and options that Google Ads gives you. And by doing that, you ensure your ads are shown to high intent potential buyers instead of people that are wasting their time scrolling on TikTok or Facebook that are not likely to buy your product, especially if it's high ticket. So the high ticket strategy is you want to focus on fewer sales, but they should be ultra profitable compared to low ticket. And Google Ads helps you focus on buyers that are more likely to convert. This is why Google Ads is a way better marketing channel than starting on TikTok or Facebook. You not having to create video ads of your product saves so much time, so much headache, and as a beginner, it actually allows you to actually be profitable, because with Google Ads, you're actually just showing an image or sometimes a search or just a actual text on an ad, aka search text ads, to potential buyers. And all you really need to do is get good at that, which is a lot more attainable than trying to do video editing, and is way more attainable to see success as a beginner with Google Ads versus the other channels. So in terms of setting up the Google Ads, we want to set it up using a buying funnel structure, meaning that the funnel is going to be divided into 3 sections: high, medium, and low. And we want to focus on the low funnel where buyers have high intent and specific needs for our product. For example, a very popular high ticket product is going to be fireplaces. And in our top of funnel, aka the high funnel, we want to show up for generic or general searches such as fireplace, modern fireplace, 36-inch fireplace, all types of words and combinations that have to do with fireplaces. But we want to spend most of our budget in the medium funnel and in low funnel. In the medium funnel, we want to focus on brand searches, meaning if you sell a Modern Flames fireplace, which is a type of brand that manufactures fireplaces, we want to target more of a budget on that term. Modern Flames, which is the manufacturer, fireplace. When someone searches that, they for sure want a fireplace that's made by Modern Flames. And if you are doing high ticket dropshipping correctly, then you're able to partner with these brands and sell them directly on your website. And in the low funnel, we want to target specific product searches. One example of this is Modern Flames Spectrum Slimline 60 inches. This is very, very specific. You have the brand name, so someone searching this, they want a Modern Flames fireplace, Spectrum, which is the collection, Slimline, which is the sub collection, and then 60 inches, which is even more specific. Those are search terms, even though there's not a lot of search terms for those depending on the brand or the product types that you carry. Those are very, very high bottom of the funnel, high buying intent search terms that if you bid on, the traffic is literally ready to buy. And all you really need to do is show your ads in front of them, make your site trustworthy, and actually pick up the phone when people are interested in your products and get them to call you and actually convert them into a sale. So that is how the funnel works. Now, how should you allocate your budget? Well, you want to spend 70% of your budget on a medium, low campaign, targeting those branded search terms, and you want to spend 30% the rest of the budget on the high funnel. Now, I used to be 90-10, meaning I used to spend 90% of my budget in the medium and low, but I transitioned most of my budget now onto the high funnel because of the fact that the high funnel, even though there are a lot of keywords, a ton of keywords that you can show up for, it allows you, the business owner, to actually grow the brand, grow the business, because you're going to be bidding on search terms and showing up for search terms that other people, most likely that are copying the same strategy, aren't doing. So the high funnel, it takes a little bit longer to optimize, but once you do a lot of keyword sculpting, negative keywording, you're able to show up for the right search terms, and the high campaign will actually convert for you. And that's where the magic really comes. The high funnel has so much more keywords that you can show up for, and it's a way more scalable campaign. Now that you know the strategy, the budget allocation, and how you actually should be running Google Ads for high ticket dropshipping, how are my client results with people that are doing high ticket dropshipping? Well, the thing is, most of my clients often make their first sales within the first $500 of ad spend. For example, my students Mohammed and Khalid made $3,000 in their first 5 hours of turning on ads. And if you want the same success that they did, then there's a free course down below with resources and assets on how you can build and start your own high ticket dropshipping store. And for those people that are very serious and action takers that just truly want to go as fast as possible in one direction, which is see success with high ticket dropshipping, then there's also another option for one-on-one coaching for the high ticket ecom launchpad program. Whichever option that you choose, I highly recommend you and ruthlessly take action, build your business with speed, and actually see success with it. You have the whole blueprint in front of you. Now it's just time for you to actually execute. Now, I highly recommend you to like, comment, subscribe so you can see more of these videos in your subscription feed on YouTube, so you can take more value away from this. Highly recommend you take action on one of those two options, either a free course or you can apply for coaching, and all those links will be down in the description below. If you have any questions, I'll do my best to respond to each and every single one of them. Drop them in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.